Jamie.
What? Is it? Oh, it's in the shop.
That's like really aggressive, man. Hey guys, it's Candace.
And James.
From the Edgy Veg, and today we are going to show you all the cool stuff we picked up at the Buddhist restaurant.
Yeah, it's a really cool Buddhist Asian restaurant. So it's all vegan and vegetarian, super yummy.
So stay tuned for our big Buddhist food haul.
Also sponsored by Harleen Winston.
Actually, I think we make all of our money to buy them nice things.
Yeah.
They don't make any money. So James and I have this Buddhist restaurant called King's Café in Toronto. It's all vegetarian and they don't use garlic or onion.
Which I thought was kind of weird, but the food was super good.
And they don't have alcohol, but the food is insane. It's so good. I find that a lot of Asian vegetarian and vegan supplements are just top notch. A lot of them are vegetarian, so they've been making these faux meats for a really long time, and I feel like they're still kind of the best at making them.
This restaurant had its own little grocery store inside the restaurant, and they make all of their own products themselves. They've got like a little factory, I guess, just outside of town, and you can buy all of the products that are in their food. So it's super good, and we did like a whole big shopping spree there.
So we have bag 1.
And bag 2.
I think I might have more stuff in my bag, but we'll just kind of like go back and forth and show you guys what we bought. Do you want to go first?
You go first because you have more stuff.
Okay, I'll go first. I'm not gonna look, I'm just gonna pick something.
Like a rabbit out of a hat.
Item number 1. These are 100% vegetarian, suitable for vegans, red bean buns.
Okay, can we first talk about why it's vegetarian but suitable for vegans?
They could just put that it's vegan.
I know.
Well, it's called King's Vegetarian Food Manufacturing, so I guess everything's vegetarian, but they have to specify if it's for vegans because not everything that they make is vegan. So they're like steam buns filled with red beans. I think this is a sweet bun.
So you might like that.
Yeah, you don't like steam buns.
I'm not a steam bun guy myself,
But I love
understand
steam
people
buns.
who are.
And I love bows. So this is red bean paste, flour, sugar, shortening, yeast, baking powder, and it says it's vegan. So those are frozen, so I guess you just like heat them up in the microwave or steam them in a steamer as opposed to,
I like what you did.
I don't know. Cool, so that's item number 1.
Okay.
Everything's packaged, so it's fine that we're also holding dogs for all of the people that think we're completely
I don't wanna make a mess.
unsanitary.
Okay,
Just pick something.
okay, this one, I have no idea what this is, but it is green tea rice cakes.
It looks nothing like a rice cake.
But it says rice cake. It's some kind of dessert.
So it's not like the traditional rice cake like what my mom tried to feed me as a healthy snack.
Yeah, it looks like a sugary dumpling with like green tea in it.
Oh yeah, it does look like a dumpling with green tea in it. It's made in Taiwan.
It actually looks really good.
It has green tea, white bean paste, see beans again, sugar, soybean oil, green tea powder, maltose sugar, glutinous rice powder,
Glutinous.
tartrazine. What's tartrazine? Brilliant blue. I guess that's the color. Gâteau Ritz Thé Vert.
I don't like a ton of like Asian Chinese desserts, but this looks really good.
I think
will
you just
try it.
eat it right out of the package.
Let's do it.
All right, my turn.
Your turn.
I feel like I have the more fun stuff.
You do have the more fun stuff. I saw your bag.
Okay, these are roasted chicken bites, vegetarian, suitable for vegans.
I'm super excited about
Look,
these.
they look like popcorn chicken. These look so good. They're made with non-GMO soy protein concentrate, wheat protein concentrate, vegetable oil, brown sugar, salt, and spices. No onions and no garlic because they're Buddhist. I think I read online that Buddhists don't use onions or garlic because they're acidic. I don't know.
I don't know. This place makes the best like vegan chicken that I've had so far, so I bet you these are gonna be unbelievable.
Ooh, these would be really good in like a general
Tao chicken.
Tao chicken,
For sure.
or like an orange chicken.
General Tao or General So? My turn. The same kind of theme.
That looks used.
Yeah, well, we got into them a little bit before we did this grocery haul because we couldn't wait. This is their own homemade TVP, and it's super yummy. I actually made a dish with this last night because I couldn't wait.
TVP, for those of you that are new to eating vegan or don't know, it's texturized vegetable protein.
This is great for like a stew or like a Szechuan sizzling beef kind of thing. All you have to do is rehydrate it, and it's like either stewing beef or like little flank steak kind of thing, and it's great. It takes up whatever flavor you're making and tastes fantastic. These are super good. I highly recommend them.
Well, we made them, well, I didn't make them. I just told you how to do it. You made a really, really nice Syrian stew with this as like the beef, and you marinated it with what? Tomato and tamari.
Pomegranate syrup and a little bit of not beef broth.
And also Worcestershire, didn't you?
I put a little bit, but I would not have included the Worcestershire next time because of the pomegranate syrup. It sort of fills that role.
My turn. Oh, these are James's favorite thing. We only go to King's Cafe so that he can order these. They are vegan soy nuggets. They're soy nuggets. They're like chicken McNuggets or regular chicken nuggets that aren't from McDonald's. They're so good. They're also made with texturized soy protein.
Okay, this video is definitely hashtag not sponsored, but these are the best nuggets I have ever had. They taste exactly like them chicken McNuggets from McDonald's, but better. They don't make you feel sick afterwards or anything, but they taste identical. They're so good. I'd highly recommend getting your own little barbecue sauce and dipping them, making them at home. We're friends with a local vegan store called Good Rebel, which shout out to Good Rebel, we love you. They just got these in, those same nuggets, and apparently they just sold off the shelves immediately, and they're trying to restock
And they
them.
got them because you went in there making such a big deal about them, and so based on his recommendation, they brought them in.
And they were like, you're right, they're so good.
Your turn.
Okay, no grocery haul with me would be the same without some hot sauce. So this place had their own homemade chili sauce in oil, which I'm super, super excited for. It's kind of like a harissa.
No label or anything.
No label, it's clearly their own little thing. Anyway, I love hot sauce, can't get enough.
Oh, and it was $6.50. That's actually really good
Yeah,
for that
pretty good
type of
price.
homemade hot sauce.
Yeah.
Oh, these are going to be interesting. Okay, I don't know if you can really see this. I don't know if the camera will do this justice. These are vegan shrimps. Or are they supposed to be octopus?
No, they're shrimp. Of course they're shrimp.
Well, I don't know. I don't eat seafood. I never ate seafood. I don't know. They look so weird. It's so funny. They have the little red stripes to make them look like shrimpies. They're curled.
They look super legit. I don't know
What are we going to do with this?
We can make like our own homemade dumplings or some kind of like stir fry kind of thing, or like a pad thai would be pretty cool with shrimp. We can
They
make, like,
actually
our own-
look so real that it's creeping me out. It looks like I have a bag of sea creatures.
Okay, cool. I'm all about the sauce, as you know. And one of the things we really struggle with, especially when we're making Asian dishes, is a lot of them call for oyster sauce. So this place has their own vegan oyster sauce. We can make all sorts of awesome Thai dishes and other Asian dishes.
It says, oh, it's made with mushrooms.
Yeah,
It's mushroom oyster sauce.
mushroom oyster sauce. Or oyster mushroom sauce. Get it?
Ah!
Maybe?
That's a really large thing of oyster sauce. They didn't have a smaller.
They did have a smaller one, but
Oh,
it was like
God.
50 cents difference between the small one and the
okay.
big one. So
Well, fair enough.
I don't know.
He always has to buy the largest of the thing.
I like sauce. What can I do? I like sauce.
Next, I have here a simulated soy leg.
Okay, this one I don't know about.
Well, this says Cuisse de poulet au végétarien
Yeah, that's
simulé. Yes, I'm aware that it is French. Thank you for that. What I'm saying is it says poulet, so it's supposed to be like a chicken legs. It doesn't really explain what it is, but it's a vegan, vegetarian, chicken leg and sauce.
Oh, wait a second. This is funny. English subtitle for the French one and the French subtitle for the English one. That's a little packaging error that they made.
Oh, that's why it's confusing.
Yeah, their subtitles are on the wrong language.
Actually, what does this look like? Oh,
Oh, they look like little drumsticks.
there's even something that looks like a bone in it. Weird.
I'm like kind of weirded out, but also interested to see how it does. Next, we have Winston. No. Next, we have...
We didn't buy Winston at the grocery store.
So next we have almond powder. It says almonds powder, but I think they mean almond powder. I think this is to make your own almond milk.
Oh.
So it's like an instant almond
Oh
milk.
yeah, it is. You know why I bought this?
No?
It would be good for traveling,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
Because then like you can't bring liquids on the plane.
Yeah, so we bring like a bag of this when we go to Germany.
Yeah. So when you're on the plane or the train or whatever you're doing while you're traveling, when you order a coffee, they never have almond or
Yeah.
soy milk. So you
Ah.
can just ask for water and make your own almond and soy milk. So that's why I bought this.
Who knew? But we have to see if it's good first.
Right. I mean, it's going to be better than drinking a black coffee.
Sure.
Okay, I found, this is not labeled. I don't know what this is. Some sort of dessert steam bun, again.
That's just like a wild card.
Wow, I'm so glad we included it in this video.
Maybe if you are familiar with this type of food, you can tell us what this is in the comments below.
Also, it kind of looks like a butt.
Butt food. Next, we have, oh, this is super weird. Vegan soy nori slice.
What?
Yeah, it's supposed to be like a vegan salmon or something.
Okay, so it's a piece of textured soy protein and it's covered in nori, so it looks like it has a skin. And the nori probably gives it like that fishy flavor. So I guess you slice it so that you have like fish pieces.
It's got like a little salmon slice. I feel like we should go back to them and ask what we do with this.
I mean, it says cooking, grill, steam, fried, salad, saute. Specific. Wisdom agrees. Okay, the last thing is dumplings. It just says dumplings. And then 100% vegetarian, no onion or garlic. Made by a dim sum master. I like to make sure that all of my dumplings are made by a dim sum master.
I love Asian dumplings. I actually have a really good dumpling sauce that I like to make with peanuts and sesame and chili sauce.
Yes, it's the Hunan sauce from our cookbook.
That's correct.
Where is it?
Right
There it
behind
is.
you.
Yay! So in these dumplings, there is cabbage, carrot, shiitake, mushroom, texturized vegetable protein, canola oil, potato starch, ginger, salt, and spices. Sounds delicious.
I'm super excited to try these. Pan fried. Do you guys like pan fried, steamed, or deep fried? Tell us in the comments.
Ooh, I like pan fried.
Me too.
Oh
Yeah,
no, there's nothing left. My bag's empty.
That's how you know it's time to sign off.
All right, so that is our Asian food grocery haul. We could have bought everything in that place. Everything was like so interesting and different. There's a lot of really cool sauces that normally aren't vegetarian or vegan that they had, like the oyster sauce and a bunch of other stuff. So if you do have a Chinatown or an Asian grocery near you, stop in and see what vegetarian products they have. They're usually really good.
And let us know which products you have in your area that you really like in the comments below. And if you do like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up so we know to make more of these types of videos. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button so you can get more videos like this each and every week.
And recipes. You want to get those vegan recipes every single week.
Speaking of recipes, don't forget to pick up your copy of the Edgy Veg cookbook,
Right here.
which you can buy for yourself, but it's even better to gift it for a friend.
Maybe you want to inspire a friend to go vegan. These are the perfect recipes for it. All right, guys, we are going to go. We will see your beautiful faces next week. Bye.
Bye!